Hello from office of second to the person can first I will explain about my father who is passing from my grandfather Shabani who passed away in 2022. Then my grandmother, grandfather, and they and had two children. The first in my family, the first in my father. My father is Muhammad Ali bin Abdul on 21,950 program. My father is 41 years old. Anak kita sekali second job. My auntie is 33 years old. After that, I will explain my mother family starting from my grandfather that I passed away in 2015. Then my grandmother Yuna Atika passed away in 2024. Then they got married and had one child. My mother's name is Sufiani, born in 1986. Now my mother is 39 years old. After that, my father and mother got married and had 3 children. The first child is me. Nisa, born on September 29, 2006 in Teluk Bogam. I'm 18 years old. I'm still studying at Paper. My second younger brother is named Abdurrahman, born on August 3, 2009. My younger brother is 16 years old. My younger brother is still studying at the Waladul Amin Islamic Boarding School and is now in grade 3 of Junior High School. Then as last child is named Faisal Barak, born on November 12, 2020. Now my young brother is 4 years old and is still in kindergarten in my village with Subway. That's my explain about my family tree. Thank you for your attention. Good afternoon.